Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to sync passwords across devices with Google Password Manager in 2026. First, open Google Chrome and make sure you're signed in with your Google account. Then open Google Password Manager. Go to Settings and make sure password saving and autofill are enabled. These features help Google securely save and use your passwords across all your devices. Next, open Chrome settings and make sure sync is turned on for your Google account. Check that passwords is included in the sync options. Once sync is enabled, any password you save in Google Password Manager will automatically sync to your other devices that are signed in with the same Google account. To test it, save a password on one device, then open Google Password Manager on another device using the same Google account. After sync is complete, the saved password will appear automatically. This works across Chrome on Windows, Mac, Android, iPhone, and other devices where you're signed in with the same Google account. If your passwords are not syncing, make sure you're using the same Google account on all devices, Chrome Sync is enabled, and your internet connection is working properly. That's how to sync passwords across devices with Google Password Manager in 2026. It's a simple and secure way to keep your passwords available everywhere. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.